Now to riveting details in the trial of Tulsa police officer Betty Shelby. Today, the courtroom heard a recording of her side of the story.
It was taken just a few days after Terence Crutcher's death. 2 Works For You reporter Ashley Holt was in the courtroom and has the update.
Brian and Karen, very important revelations came about today for both sides of this case, but possibly the most chilling were Shelby's own words. She said she's never been so scared in her life.
This guy's still walking.
The video plays the same every time, but it doesn't depict the way Betty Shelby experienced it. Today, the courtroom saw its second day of witness testimonies, but none more jarring than the video of Shelby giving her side 3 days after it happened. The way she lived it in this moment, she was alone. She had no idea Officers Turnbow and Roy were on either side.
I've got a feeling that's about to happen.
She said after Crutcher reached for his pocket multiple times, despite her commands, he looked at sirens behind her before walking to his car with his hands up. She said it's when he turned around and dropped his arm again that she shot him. In the video, Shelby drops to her knees crying, saying, "I thought he was going to kill me. I've never been so scared." The district attorney put the medical examiner on the stand who performed Crutcher's autopsy. Those results telling his story differently. Dr. Andrea Weens saying the position of Crutcher's gunshot wound proves the shooter was above him in some way, saying it's possible after Officer Turnbow tased Crutcher, Officer Shelby shot him as he fell to the ground.
Which way are they facing?
But the position of the bullet also suggests his right arm, the one closest to her, was still up when he got shot. In her recorded statement, Shelby saying she had to do something to keep him from reaching into the car.
Hey, that's Betty that's down.
Saying, quote, "There's a number of things he could have done if he got to that truck." Now, we also heard from 2 TCC professors that were on the stand telling stories about the last hour of Crutcher's life, bringing his sister to tears. Tomorrow, the state will question its last few witnesses, and then the defense gets its turn. Ashley Holt, 2 Works For You.
All right, thank you, Ashley.